You are not the special one. Now that you are gone, is it over for you? Over for you. I don't even have to cry, and I'll tell you why. There is nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Tell me why do you call me now? And I have to believe I don't know how. Is it true that I'm finding all in you? Is it true? Loving me is what you do. 'Cause I need them more than you know. I feel it, never let it go well. So can you tell me if that is true? When I said that last goodbye, I was wondering why.